Are you not getting notifications on your iPhone? Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the notification problem on your iPhone. There are two methods that I'm going to be showing you guys, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Firstly, open your iPhone and go to settings. Now scroll down until you see notifications. Click on notifications and make sure that notifications are turned on. The first method is more like for a certain app, but the second method is for all the apps. So scroll down and select the app that you're having a problem with. In my case, it'll be Google. So I'll go to Google and press on turn on notifications. This will solve the problem you're having with certain apps. But if you're not getting notifications for overall all of the apps, then you might need to check if your do not disturb is turned off. To turn off your do not disturb, go back and now go to your control settings and long press on do not disturb and make sure you turn it off. A quick tip: if you want to turn on your do not disturb and still want notifications from certain apps, for that you need to go back to settings and click on focus, and from here click on do not disturb. Now here click on apps and add the apps that you want notifications from even when your do not disturb is turned on. For example, I'll add Google. And now from here, I'll go back, and now congratulations, your notification problem is fixed. Here's another quick tip. If you're still having problems with your notification, make sure to restart your phone. That may also help. I hope the video was informational and I hope you liked it. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and see you in the next one.